Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain the water cycle and the endless journey that keeps our earth alive. Water is constantly moving in a circular path, helping in a sustaining life, shaping the landscape and maintaining our climate. Let's understand the beautiful journey of water cycle through different stages. So let's see the stages of the water cycle one by one. First of all, evaporation from liquid to vapor. Like evaporation is the first step when the sun heat the ocean, lakes and the river. The surface water gains energy and changes into water vapor. These water vapor rise into the air. Vapor not only move water into the atmosphere but also transfer heat, help to cool the earth's surface. So now let's see. So in third slide, we basically see transpiration plants as water pump. So along with evaporation, plants also contribute by releasing water vapor through tiny pores called stomata. Like we usually heard this word in the grade 6 or 7. So basically this is a process which called transpiration. It's help plant to stay cool, absorb nutrition and add extra moisture into the atmosphere, showing how the plants are deeply connected with the water cycle. So now let's have a look on the another slide. We have condensation from vapor to liquid. So if we talk about condensation from vapor to liquid, as the moist air rises higher, it cools down. The water vapor condenses into tiny water droplets, forming a cloud. This cooling and clumping together of droplets is crucial because it's eventually led to rain and other form of precipitation. Next we have precipitation. Like precipitation, the water returns, as the name all represent the slide also. When droplets in clouds become heavy, then fall back to the earth as precipitation, which is also known as rainfall. This can be rainfall, snow, or hail. Rain replenished river and lake, snow stored water in colder region, and hail formed during strong storms. Precipitation is a natural way to return water back to the surface. So as I mentioned, rain, snow, hail, you can read along with the explanation. And next we have surface run, the flowing water. After precipitation, water travels over the land as surface runoff. It flows into rivers, lakes, and oceans. This runoff carries soil, nutrition, and sometimes pollutants, like shaping our landscape by eroding and creating new landforms. So this is all about the slide number 6. Now let's have a look to the another slide. We have groundwater flow below the surface. Like some seeps deep into the ground and gets stored in space called aquifer. This is called groundwater. It moves slowly through rocks and soil. Groundwater is a precious resource which providing drinking water and support agriculture system and the ecosystem of our country. Next we have importance of the water cycle. So at the end, I'll just want to tell you the importance of the water cycle. In very short, the water cycle is a heartbeat of the planet. It provides us a fresh water, support all the living beings, shape the earth's surface and regulate the weather. Without the water cycle, the life as we knew, like it wouldn't be exist. So it's truly a remarkable natural system. So that's all for today's presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.